I welcome you again, and my name is Teacher Emmanuel, who is coming again to explain about physical geography. The topic of today is going basically to focus on the weather and the climate, but you have too many questions here. We have question 10. What is the importance of knowing the direction and velocity of winds? So this is a good question. You can ask yourself, many people knows the direction of a wind. Many people knows the velocity of a wind, but they don't know their importance. It's what we are going to look at. When people knows the direction of a wind, it helps in planning for flights. A plane can fly depending on the velocity and the direction of a wind. I think it is great. It helps in the construction of houses. When people want to construct, when people want to build their houses, they much depend on the direction and the velocity. They much depend on where the wind is coming from, the direction of a wind. Because remember, most of the time houses are destroyed by winds. And that's why it is very important to know the direction of a wind so that you can build your house in a proper way. Next, it determines the type of crops to be grown in an area. Knowing the direction of a wind, knowing the velocity of a wind in a given place, it will help you to know which type. Am I going to grow crops which does not grow at a high level or the shortest one? This depends on the velocity and strength of winds and even direction. It helps people to prepare the negative effect of strong winds. Whenever we know that our places are affected by strong winds, that moves at a high velocity, we shall be attentive in that place so that we can prepare to those negative effects. Secondly, 11 question. Explain the major factors that influence the flow and speed and direction of wind. We are going to talk about the factors that influence the direction and the speed of wind. Number 1, pressure gradients. If the pressure difference between high and low pressure area is high, the wind blows at a high speed. And if the pressure difference between high and low pressure area is low, they blow at low speed. I think that this point is clear and easy to understand. Secondly, we have rotation of the earth. Remember, rotation of the earth may cause deflection of wind and ocean currents as a result of those Coriolis forces. And because of this, some of the winds may deflect to the right direction in the northern hemisphere, while others will flow to the southern hemisphere in the left side. That's what we are looking at. Next, finally, we have building structure and vegetation. Building structure can cause a wind to change its direction. If winds are flowing, for example, in this side, and it meets with this wall, immediately wind will deflect its direction. We look for another way to blow. And when wind is blowing and find that places with dense vegetation, it will change its direction and blow in different areas. That's why we may say building structure and vegetation can influence the speed and the velocity and even in direction of the wind. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all uploaded videos relating to physical geography. Have a nice time.